Well, I don't know about you, but I think that's a million times better.
It looks bigger already.
How nice is this? A switchable light again. This is like the very first thing we took out on demo day, and like everything else is done, just finally got around to putting it back together. Crazy to just be able to hang out in here and not have projects hanging over our heads. It might start working from out here.
This is the final video in a whole series of our renovation of the RV. So if you go back through this playlist, you can see a lot more of the nitty-gritty details. You can see us tear it all apart. You can see the day we bought the RV. It's super fun. So subscribe, because we have a lot of future plans for little renovation projects that we want to continue to do to the RV. This is done enough for us to travel, but we have a lot more we want to do.